Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to find General Management option. Now let's tap on Language at the top, and here we've got the list of all languages. We've got English and Spanish, so let's add new one. Just tap on Add language, and here we've got full list of available languages, so just find yours and tap on it. I'll choose maybe it doesn't really matter, but I just want to show you the language which will for sure appear. Maybe this one. Just tap on it, choose the region, and your device will ask you if you want to set new language as a default. So just tap on Set as Default, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. You can also change the languages right here if you've got them in this list. Just tap on it and tap on Apply, I believe. And right now we've got English applied. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit, mark the languages, and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove, and we've got only English left, or any other language, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.